really slow.
Oh, I ain't see the engine.
CN.
Huh?
CN. Double stacks. One engine.
Huh?
One engine.
I didn't see the number though.
I didn't see it either.
I don't know if double stack train on the fucking thing. Like, if you see if we can get the number.
I can't see the number. It's on the front of the engine now.
Damn it. I didn't see the engine.
You've seen the engine, you just didn't see the. You've seen the engine, just not the numbers.
Darn it. I really want to see one now.
We just did.
I know, but alright. You think there'll be another one after?
Not on this track.
Huh?
Not on this track.
Well, maybe if it was a second one coming.
No.
Hey guys, you can see it northbound. First train, I could see it. The engine was black. I didn't even see the engine. I mean, I saw the engine, I didn't see it. Look at the engine up like, what's the back like?
I just saw the word CN on the side.
Huh?
I just saw the word CN on the side, that's all.
They have stripes in the word.
The word. The letters.
CN. Yes, they www.cn.cs.
I didn't see that. Just CN, big CN letters.
Alright guys, cool. It's a long train. Okay. It bothers me a little bit. Aww. I hope I see the next one soon. This one we never miss. That's a long train. Alright. Was the train going fast?
No.
Huh? Maybe I'm poor solid. That double stack. Wow, that's a long train, isn't it?
Pretty long.
I mean, I'll look at the camera after to see if I got the number. I didn't get it. No, I didn't get it. China shipping. Nice. After this, maybe there'll be a westbound. Was anything park? I mean, at night it's hard to tell. K-line. Wow, guys, this train's long. Long. I'm happy it's not true, it's real long. Holy crap, guys. Okay. It might stop. I hope not. It's slowing down, but train. Alright guys, this train's on Range Road going north on the Mount Clemens stuff. This train was from Richmond, so where's it? Oh, he's stopping. Come on, train. Yeah, he's stopping. Yeah, he's gonna stop. No. Alright guys, that's all for now, okay? There's probably another train in the yard, I don't know. Alright guys, if it stops, that's all for now, alright? We'll pop by car. We'll pop by crossing and see it better, you know? Huh? Oh, after it's cut. Alright. Alright guys, now we're gonna put up roll close. Hold on. The trains were on the road. Alright guys, I don't know why the train's gonna stop. Dang it. Hey guys, I got a bad idea. Actually, no, I'm gonna hold the car. I don't know if there's any more double stacks. Alright guys, listen. Hold on. It's going very slow. I might have to stop the video and add a part 2 to it. Cause I don't want to. I get tired of wasting my damn barrel. What?
This is ridiculous. Huh? This is ridiculous. Either drive the damn train or stop it. What is he doing? There's no reason to go 0.2 miles an hour.
I know.
He can either go 10 or he can't move. So what the hell is he doing?
Who, the driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why. Me either. I mean, why do they do this shit? I mean, I barely saw the engine. I mean, it's just every week it's always the end of the week until I see the next train. That's why I got mad at Mom earlier. Alright guys, I might not even put my whole train, okay?
The rails are 4'8".
You know, guys, you know what? Let me tell you something.
4'8".
These CN workers are ridiculous because every time they go east on the Mount Clemens stuff, they usually slow down and stop and block the damn crossing the whole damn time. Especially the westbound trains that weren't Range Road back there.
I mean, this is a long train. There's a lot of doubles still coming.
Yeah, I know. Ridiculous, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of some BS.
Yeah. Are you more double stacks?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if he's gonna stop, but I'm guessing he might. I hope not. I hope not. Alright guys, there's more double stacks. This is ridiculous. This CN crew with the intermodal shipping companies, ridiculous. Because every time they come, they block the damn track. Sometimes it takes hours for someone to move, you know? I'm still happy I saw it, but I barely saw the engine, but that's alright. You know? I hope the ends catch up soon so we can go speedway and head home for tomorrow. So, alright. I mean, tomorrow my mom might take me here around 2 to catch a Friday southbound. But this is one of the Thursday northbounds. I mean, listen. Every time I see a train, it's not called a Friday, it's not called a Thursday southbound or whatever. It's just, starting to speak up a little bit, I think.
Yeah,
That's a long train, guys. High five, guys. I guess, I mean, I barely saw the engine. Maybe tomorrow we'll see it at the impact. Yeah. There's more stats. I think the stats have to be the end. That's a lot in the motor cars. double stacks are cool too. Long train, huh? Yeah, but that's really a really clean engine. But you know what, guys? We didn't. We still saw the engine. So, one engine, right? Was he big or small?
Big.
Yeah, this is a huge monster. This is a huge double stack train right here. Nice.
Modal.
I think the rest had to be stacks. Oh, no. You see the end? Oh, guys, here comes the end. Here comes the end of it. Is it a stack? Alright, guys, that's all for now. This train's long. There's the end right there. It's a stack. Alright, guys. Maybe we'll see another one once we turn around at the speedway up here. So there's the end. That's all for now, guys. Let me see if there's another one coming behind it.
There's not.
Yeah, maybe sometimes. I doubt it though. Air skates. Nope. Thought there was a blow up there. Maybe not. Alright, guys, it's off
There's no
now.
blow up